Let's say we wanted to write a formula-based program for TI-Nspire. Okay. First of all, let's explain what I mean by formula-based. Find the area of this figure below. Okay. All right. Let's see. We did it by hand. You recognize this is a trapezoid, and the area of the trapezoid formula is this. Okay, A equals to, actually it's the height, the altitude times the average of the bases. Basically, that's what it is. So if we want to find the area of this trapezoid, we will multiply the height, which is 3, times 5 plus 9, which are the sum of the bases, divided by 2. And of course, 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. So that's okay if you have one problem. But what if you had to do several of these problems? Like this one, this one, that one, and this one, and that one. You didn't see that one. This one, that one, and this one. Okay. You just have to repeat those steps over and over and over. What if you had like 100 of these? Then it gets to be really, really tedious. What you could do is you could write a quick program to make the job easier. So let's model that. Okay, so I'm going to go to TI-Nspire. Let's click this off. Let's go to TI-Nspire. All right, we'll start with new, and we'll save anything. All right, we're going to start by adding a calculator, and then we're going to go to functions and programs, program editor, and I'm going to call this one trapezoid error. I'm going to use a underscore here, control this area. That's what else. And we'll leave it as a program library access 9. Okay. So all we need to do is determine how we want to run the program. Alright, I'm going to do this one using prompts. So let's use the request command. Make sure that my cursor is between the program and the end program. I'm going to go to menu, and I'll go to IO, and I'm going to use request. And what do I requesting? I need a few things. I need the 2 bases, and I need the height. That's sort of 3 things I need. Parentheses in, control there, and we need our H equals, right? And I'm going to come out of side of this and put comma H. Then I'm going to copy and paste. So the copy and paste of that is, and you can add this green how to do this in class, but you can highlight this, and let's control C and then control V, and we need B1, one base, and we'll make this B1, and we also need B2. So I'm going to copy that and paste that, B2. All right. Now all I need is the formula. Okay? Formula. Formula is going to be this. I need to multiply the height. So I need H. I need times. And basically I'm just doing a formula here. I need the sum of B1 and B2. So I'm going to go B1 plus B2, and I'm going to divide that by 2, and I'm going to give that a name. I'm going to use the store key, so control store, and I'm going to call it A. Alright, so that's the formula. Now I need to display the result. So let's go one more thing. Let's go to menu. Let's go here. Let's go to display. And let's put some parentheses. put some parentheses, and we're going to say to move me out the way like that. We're going to say the, wait a minute, right there, I'll just put in the area of the trapezoid is, and I'm going to come out of this and put a comma, and I'm going to put A. Alright, so let's save this by with Control B, or store it actually, Control. I stored it. And let's come over to the calculator side and run it. Variable, trapezoid error. Good. You see that took no time at all. Press enter. It wants a height. Remember our original problem, I believe our height was 3. Alright. Enter. And then one of our bases, I believe, if I can go to it, yeah. The other base was 9. And the other, so 9 here. So well, 5 was the top base and 9 was the bottom one. Press enter. And it says the area trapezoid is 21. So the power of this is that you could do this over and over again. You know, all you got to do is just hit var trapezoid area, and then you could go to like one of these other problems that we look like. Maybe I can do the 21, 18, 41. Yeah. So I can go back to here, and I can go. All right. So I had the 18 was the height, and then it was 21 for one base, and I think the other base was 41. And then 41. And so the area of trapezoid is 510. And that's it. That's how you write a program, find a formula-based program for find the area of trapezoid.